Hey everybody, how y'all doing tonight? So I'm gonna be talking about the T-Mobile Revvl 5. Yes, I'm talking about the T-Mobile Revvl 5. So the reason why I'm be unboxing this phone because I haven't seen anyone on YouTube talk about the T-Mobile Revvl 5. But I've been seeing a lot of the Revvl V Plus 5G. I've been seeing that on YouTube, but not this phone. You might see one video or two videos, that's it. So I'm gonna be unboxing this phone, the Revvl 5 by T-Mobile. So I got this phone from Metro by T-Mobile, and they have good deals on phones. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna tell y'all the specs of this phone. Okay, here's the specs. Revvl offer a high definition 6.52-inch display, non-lasting battery, and future full 13 megapixel dual camera system, all pair with the convenience of facial and fingerprint unlock. It okay, 6.52 HD. It's a 6.52 inch HD plus IPS display, 4,000 mAh battery for all day power. You get 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels main and 5 megapixels selfie cameras. And you also get facial and fingerprint unlock. And you also get 32 gigabyte internal memory. So there we go. Now you can pick this up at your local Metro by T-Mobile store. So let's jump right into it. Now this how the box look. Ain't nothing on the sides right here. And this how it look in the back. Okay. Here's your T-Mobile phone. Here's all your booklets that nobody don't read. And here's your toolkit for the SD and SIM card tray. Your shim. You have your data cable. I believe this is your Type C. Yeah, Type C. It's printed on. That you can see. And you get your wall adapter, charger brick. And I do not know how many watts this is. I don't think it say. But I don't know what watts is this. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know what rats is this. So, okay, let's throw all this on the side. Now, let's talk about the phone. Let's jump right to it. You have your noise canceller. You have your Type-C port, your down-five speaker. You have your power key dedicated of a fingerprint sensor. And this time it don't light up. You have your volume rocker up and down. You have your 3.5 headphone jack. You have your noise canceller. And on the other side, you have your SD sound slot tray. And on this side, you have your flash and your camera setup. And it look like it says AI door cameras. Okay? And this how it look. It's plastic. And I really do like this color. I really do like this color. Yes, I do. Seem like it's giving a shine when you turn it around like this. It seems like it's like transition. This is nice color, a nice one. And you have the T-Mobile branding. So now let's turn it on. T-Mobile Revvl 5, powered by Android. Okay, here's how it look. Let me put in my pen. Okay. Now you have your front camera, your teardrop front camera. Let me put this on vibrate. Okay. Now, this is all your bloatware right here. This is all your bloatware that come with the phone. But I had downloaded Prime Video. I had to download that. So, now, let's see what's inside the drop down notification. So you get your Wi-Fi, mobile data, do not disturb, Bluetooth, flashlight, automation, airplane mode, location, battery saver, screen record, Wi-Fi calling, hotspot. You get your night light, nearby sharing, dark theme, face mode, bedtime mode, QR code, and infrared colors. So let's go to the settings. What's underneath the hood? Now you get your from right here. You get your network and internet connection devices like your Bluetooth, CAS, printer, Chromebook, nearby sharing, Android Auto. That's what you get. Okay. You get your app and notification, battery. You have your display. You get your brightness level, dark theme, night light, adaptive brightness, wallpaper, advanced, screen time out, auto erasure screen, font size, display size, screen saver, lock screen, lift to rate, tap to rate. Okay. Now you get your sound, your storage, and right now you get a 32 gigabyte of storage and 1470 gigabyte use. Well, 46% use. Okay. You get your privacy, location, security. You get your screen lock, fingerprint, and face unlock, smart lock, and device administration apps. And you also got advanced SIM card lock. Okay. You have your accounts, accessibilities, the digital band. This is all your. This is your digital band where you like how many times you unlock and your notification and how long you been on like YouTube and other apps. You get your Google, your system, about phone. And I believe this is one on Android 11. Yo, Android 11. Okay. Now let's jump into the cameras. Okay, this is your camera setup. Let's go to settings. You get your setter sound. I turn that one off. You get save location, save timer, imagine, grid lines, take pictures in auto HDR, shortcut to take pictures, your video size. Now, you get 16 by 9, 1080 pits. You get your 1.1, 1080 pits. And you get your 4, 16 by 720. Now, you also get reset settings. So, let me see. Let's go to more. You get your pro, paranormal, slow motion, and hyperlapse. Okay. So now, let's test out a picture. Let's see how the picture look. Let's see how the camera look now. Okay, this how the camera look. I don't like that. So let's take another one. Let's take this one again one more time. And let's see how it come out. That's a little better right there. And this how it look. Not bad at all. Let's try to take another one more time. That's a little bit better. What y'all think? That look much better. Let's check the front cameras. Okay. This how it look. It don't look too bad. What do y'all think? So now let's see how this phone sound. Here we go. This how the display look, and this how it sound. And then remember, this don't have no door speakers. Okay. Now, so let's check the fingerprint sensor. See how fast it go. Oh whoa, that go real fast. That one was slow this time. That was slow this time. That was fast this time. So the fingerprint is a little slow at times, and the fingerprint is a little fast sometimes. So this is it for the video. I'm gonna be taking some pictures and test out the games on this phone. So y'all stay tuned for the next video for this phone here, the T-Mobile Revvl 5, and about to close out. So y'all tell me how y'all like this video, and like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And God bless you, and peace.